Hello everyone and welcome back to one of our videos. Today's video is the third video of the series on how to install AI on your computer. The first video was to check your hardware to get the perfect AI model for your machine. Second video, previously uploaded on the channel, was how to install ComfyUI that allows you to install the AI model. Today's video I'm going to show you in details how to download a model that fits your machine in details. So as you can see, Comfy now is running. I have everything in place. Now I want to install an AI model for video generation. Simply I will go here to templates. You can see this. Yep. So I click on templates, click on image. These are the different ones. I'm just going to look for Flux FP8. This is one of the models that fits my machine. So let's say you know your model that you want to install. This one is text to image, image and image edit, mockup and product. So it does a lot of things in it. If I click on it, now I have 7 errors. You click on see errors on this site and it will tell you you are missing, can you see this? Yeah. You are missing these these files, missing 4 files that you need to download. Diffusion model, LoRa's one, text encoders, VAE, and so on. So once you download these ones, we'll take a look again at the rest of the errors. But at least, how do you know where to put these files? First, it's giving you the link to download the missing files. So be sure that this model fits your graphics card perfectly. Use the first video that I uploaded to check for your hardware, because as you can see, you're gonna download the first file is almost 53 gigabyte, second one is almost 33 gigabyte, third one is 2.57 gigabyte, and the fourth one is 16 gigabyte. So you are going to download like what 50, 30, like let's say that's 90, almost 110, 120 gigabyte on your computer. So if you're not sure if this model fits your computer or not, you're gonna waste all this time and all these bandwidths for your internet to download files that will not work on your computer. So use the first one to check first. Okay, let me close this one. Now I'm missing files that I need to download. If you go here, let's zoom in. Now it's telling you under your folder ComfyUI, under models, you need to go to folder called text encoder and move the files that you downloaded to this one. This is the file you are going to download. These are the 4 files that is missing and you need to download, and it's telling you here where to put each one. So you need to put one under text encoder, one under LoRa's, one under diffusions models, and one under VAE. Once you download these files and you put these files in their correct location, now you can use it. Okay, let me close this one because I don't have this model, but I have another one. So if I go to workflow and text to image flux, no, not this one, this one. So once you've downloaded the file, the errors will disappear automatically. If there are more errors once you download the files and try to run it for testing and it still errors, it will tell you 2 more errors missing, or 1 more error, or there is nothing at all. If there is nothing, it will start running. There is no problem. At least for now, this one it has a URL to talking about this AI model. So I'm gonna click on that one. No, it's not there. Okay. Let's go to the tutorial. So the link may be an old one as they didn't update it. And then it's talking about how to use this one workflow. You can download here, and as I said in the previous video, instead of putting these one by one, these nodes one by one, and connect them and start using it, you can just download the workable workflow, download it on your machine. This is a JSON file. Once you download it, you go here and then you go click on the C button and then file, opens the file, and then specify where is it. Then you can download it. Yep. All right. If you go back, so you can download the workflow directly from here, or manual installation. You need this is telling you the missing files that you need to download and where to put it. So it's telling you download this one and put it in a folder called diffusion model. Download this one if you want to pursue higher quality and have enough VRAM. It all depends on your graphics card specs and so on. So let me search for this one exactly. So this one is called Flux One Schnell FP8. So I'm going to search here Flux One Schnell. Was it one N or double N? One N double L. One N double L FP8. So that's the one. I'm going to click on this one, and again this is all the information about it. So this is the manual installation. You need these files, and you need these files, and then it's telling you where to put it. So 2 files under text encoder, 1 file under VE, 1 file under diffusion model. So download these files and put them here. Exactly as they said. If you misplace one of them in a wrong folder, it will not run. It will still give you an error. And then this is steps to run the workflow, and it's giving you more information, like an example what to do, and so on. So let's go back to this one, and if I go back here and then look for model library, load all folders, as you can see under VAE I have these files. Under text encoders, these files, and then you can check if the file under the correct folder or not. Or I can just search for it, Flux. So under checkpoint I have these files, and after LoRa I have these files, and so on. So once you've put the files under the correct folders, I believe this is not the one I have. I think that's a different one, because these files are not the same as this one. So I don't have VE here. Then I said so. But anyway, look for the AI that fits your computer. Look at the tree where to put the files. Click on the files to download them, and then you can get the simple workflow that is working and put it into your ComfyUI and then use it. Once you have it, you can put the prompt, put the image specs, modify these according to the documentation, and then right click once you've reached the perfect parameters. Right click on this one and press save, so you save this workflow. If you change it later on, you can save as, and then write another name. Let's say this is full HD, this is 4K image, this is small image, and so on. So you would know which workflow to use next time you want to use it. Everything under Comfy is very detailed on what to do exactly and the steps, and you can just search for whatever you want. Let me try. So this one is loading checkpoint, so the files under checkpoint. Yes, another thing, if let's see model here, I will talk about the checkpoint folder because this model depends on that folder exactly. So I have here 2 files that you can use. In the node itself, if it's like checking the wrong file, you can double or click on that drop down menu and use the correct file. So it will locate the files and give it the name here. So I can use this one and I can use this one. So whenever there is a drop down menu, this means it detected a few files for that node, and then you can choose which one of them. This is how you install the AI on your computer. Go to templates, search for it, make sure it fits your graphics card specs, click on it, it will give you the workflow, save it, and then use it, or modify it first for your parameters and then you can use it. I don't have this one because this is a Nano Banana from Google. I have to connect online to use a credit, and it's going to this is another good example. If you're using one that uses online cloud AI like Nano Bananas 2, it will tell you how much credit you're gonna consume per image. So this is a 2K image. If I put it on 1K, the credits decreases. If I put it on 4K, the credit increases, and so on. So if you are using an AI model that needs credit, it will tell you how much credit you need or you're gonna spend. I'm gonna close this one, I don't need it. But at least now I have my own AI solutions that generates images, and it's for free. I can put as much as I can, as long as your graphic card can produce this image. The more RAM on your graphics card, the faster the AI model and the better the AI model you can use. Now this is the end of 3 videos on how to install an AI solution on your machine. I just talked about the image generation, but I gave you a broad idea on how to use the video ones and how to use the audio ones and so on. So now you know exactly, if let's say you want to use one of the audio AI models, now you know exactly what to do, where to search, what files are missing, where to put it. Once it's installed, you can use it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, you can, let me close this one, you can go to my website. It's cybersecureworld.net, and there is ideas and suggestions. You can click on that and leave me a note on what you want, and I will get back to you once I read all the notes, and if there is a video that I can do it for you. Thank you for watching, and wait for more videos.